Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reactivate your Roblox account. So what we want to do is just close out of the application if you have it open, and we're going to open up Safari. Here I've just Google searched for Roblox support, and you want to click on the first link that pops up. Now if you're not logged into the account, that's perfectly fine. What we have to give them is our email address, so just type out your email address, and here we will have to confirm it. Now, what device are you having the problem on? This is important, so we're going to choose the device which we use to play, and the type of help category is going to be account hacked or can't log in. Now a new menu will appear here, and we have to select account hacked, or if anything is more relevant, you will select that. So here, description of the issue, you will say, I can't access my Roblox account. Here is my information, or something like that. I had an email connected to it, but it got disabled, or something like that, and I need to reactivate it. So after you have written this, what is going to happen, they're going to contact you with a ticket, and then you will reply if they contact you, and then they might require some more information that you can't reactivate your account, and they will help you reactivate it. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. Don't forget to send it, click on continue, and I'll see you next time.